Hi, today I want to show you this game, and I don't know if you can hear the sounds. There are some random sounds in it. Okay, instead of explaining the code, I want to just start it from the start here. When I write here, maybe do some changes. For example, I want to make a class game instead of just doing this def menu. I want to call this one. Okay, and the thing I want to do is to write press S to press S to start. So this one game.write. So this one will be a function here into game that will put something on the screen. So we will put a text, a x and a y, and a middle equal both. Let me change a little bit this code. So we have this font here. You're gonna let me copy this one, but I want to put this one in here because I want to put it as a constant here. Do not want to call it every time like I did there. And so this one is good. Or maybe okay, text to show here. Pygame font. Okay, this is not good. Got to do Arial. Okay, Pygame font Arial 24. Perfect. So so this is the starting menu. Waiting to press S. So def write. How do I write on the screen? Okay, once I define this sysfont object that can let me create a text with Arial and 24 of size of the text, I have to render the text. So I'm gonna do yeah, I'm gonna do text equal font. Instead of font, I have to use game.font because it's this one. And yeah, game.font render dot render. Okay, and I need the text. I need a one for the anti-aliasing and the color. Let me say the color is default. So code T1 and pygame dot color. So we have made the render thing here. Okay. And if you want to make it really organize it, let's say so, and just to pass the text and color, Okay, we can do so. If you prefer. I think it's more clear. Okay, and let's import Pygame. Okay. So we made all our function. Okay, this is a surface that we are returning. So text equal game render text. Then okay, if middle equal both, we're gonna place this text in the middle. So so um, rect middle it's equal text get rect. We get a rect, but we wanna center it in the middle of the screen. That is width game width /2 and game height divided by 2. This will create a rectangle right in the middle of the screen. And then we will blit on this surface. Okay, on the blit surface itself, we're gonna blit the text itself at coordinates x and y in the middle, and no, sorry, the text in the rect middle. So we will blit this text in this rect middle rectangle that is placed in the middle with the center in the middle. Okay, let's say so. And it will be in the middle. Okay, so we need to put here some width equal, for the moment let's just make it simple, width and height equal 400. That's our screen. We need to define the screen also. That is Pygame. It's created with Pygame display.set mode with yes, width and width and height. Okay. So for the moment we are good. Then return text. So remember here that I think we have to make also the Pygame display update. Okay. Okay, so this is the game. Left, right. Now we need this press to start function. I will not write everything, or well, def. Okay, this I will call this one menu. So we got game right as to start. Yeah. Then while true, this is the for loop that would go on forever until you press something. So pygame event.wait if event.type equal pygame.quit. So if you press the red X button on the window, break. We don't need that loop thing. Then if event type equal pygame.key down instead, and if event key, so the key that you press, it's equal to pygame.key escape break. Break, and then if event dot equal pygame dot ks, it should start. So I will just see write print start rec. So we'll go out of the loop, pygame.quit. So at the moment we will do nothing. We'll just create this menu. And so what we need to do here now is to go into game.menu. We need also to change this in the render test, the right text here. We get to put middle equal both here, because for the moment we just made here this if middle equal both. And let's also do here else game screen here, instead of text.bleed text. So instead of bleeding on himself, we put it on the screen, and we do pygame.display.update here. To update the screen. So we make these changes here, middle equal both, and game screen.bleed, and added this pygame.display update. If we put this one down here, So we got here the game.menu. We start the menu thing. Okay, else at X and Y. Okay, you see, you can start. Okay, and if we do not put middle equal both, it's the same. Because it's the normal condition here. So if we want to write it at 0, 0, at the moment, we can change this thing later in the menu. 0, 0, 0, 10. Nope. Okay, we have to put middle equal nothing, for example. Okay, here I must put this one into, okay, like this. You see now it's up here. You press start and print, just print starts. Okay, and so and again, if you want to put it into the middle, you do both. That's all for the moment. See you next time for the explaining the audio of the game, that maybe you cannot hear it, but you can hear something. Maybe there is some random music going on. I will show you how I make it. Thank you. See you next time.